All right, how's everybody doing today? Got a little bit of a project here. My daughter came to me the other day and she's like, my door broke. I'm like, what? My door broke. So she's got the bathroom cabinets. It kind of came apart. So we're gonna put some glue on here. And the hinges that are in there are actually pretty strong. So it puts a lot of stress on this joint. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a brace on the back side. And I'm gonna do that to both doors so that way hopefully the other one doesn't break in the future. So let's get started. We're gonna put some glue on this. And I'm just gonna use some Gorilla Glue, put it together. I'll put these braces in and then we should be good. This turned out to be a pretty clean break. There's no wood that's missing. There's nothing that's in the way. I can push it together and it's pretty much where it needs to be. So I'm gonna drill some pilots for the 2 brackets. Like I said, I bought 4 brackets because I'm gonna do the other one also. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do here. Obviously it's gonna be really important not to drill all the way through. If you're concerned, I mean, I know how thick it is. You can put a piece of tape on the drill. I think that's probably what I'll probably do here. Yep, that'll be good. That'll be a good depth. Oh, I'm already there. Okay, second hole. There we go. Much better. So I used a small enough drill that it left enough wood there for it to grab. Hopefully it didn't just split on me. Let's see what she looks like. Yeah, I think she's okay. It's always really tricky when using with a pilot because you don't want to get the pilot hole too big. If you do, then your screw won't grab, and too small, she might split out. So let's go with this other one. Let's get this one on the other end over here. Again, I'm not worried about the outside yet. I'm just worried about the inside. All right, let's get some glue on the outer part. The problem with Gorilla Glue is this stuff does like to expand. I don't have the woodworking kind. But this stuff does like to expand. So use it kind of sparingly. If you're doing it on something that you're worried what it's going to look like or ooze out when it dries. But it holds really, really good. Okay. And this doesn't dry super fast, so I have plenty of time. I'm not in a hurry here. Ideally, you'd want to put these together with wood clamps, if you could. Drill this one. And if you want, drill the hole a little bit to one side, just a teeny amount. That was a bit more than it should have been. Just a tiny amount, that way it'll help pull it together. Boom. Now she has a brace. And so I don't know if you can tell here on this one, but she already started kind of pulling apart here. This one's good. Here we go. That'll hold her in place. Nice and solid. Don't have to worry about that door coming apart. I'm going to flip it over. On this side here, I'm going to wipe off the glue. Got a little bit of glue on it here. Came onto the joint. I imagine it, like I say, as it dries, this is going to ooze out a little bit. I'll just have to clean that off. But she's all fixed up. I'm going to do this to the other door, but that's, you know, just something as simple as that. They also make L brackets that go, you know, over and down for a little more support, depending on how much weight is on your door. I figured this is enough because I have enough of a solid piece here, you know, a nice solid joint. But they make other brackets, so if you have something like this break, don't throw it away. You can fix it. You know, why pay someone else to do it when I can do it myself? I fix most of the stuff around the house, and something like this is easy to do. And I'm gonna go do the same thing to my other cabinet, to the other door, as a preventive maintenance, so that this doesn't happen in the future. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions on what I could have done differently or how you've repaired it in the past, let me know. Thanks, and have a great day.